Yo guys, what's up? Today we're watching the fireworks of the 4th of July. Yo, hold on. Yo guys, we just got an emergency alert saying there's gonna be flash floods. But we won't let that ruin our day. There's a plane somewhere. Ooh, oh my gosh. Ah. Is it over? What? Is it over? Oh no, it's not over. Ooh. I just heard a plane. Oh my gosh. Whoa. It's literally echoing. It's literally echoing for the building behind me. Wow, this is amazing. Oh gosh. And there's little sparkles falling. Oh, that is amazing. There's even smoke everywhere. Ah, I've got it. I'm a professional cameraman. Yeesh, that is a lot of fireworks. Ow. That's amazing. Can we just turn our car off? That's amazing. No. That was a huge explosion. Ow. That kind of has an afterblast. Fire rumbling. Yo, there's literally smoke down on the ground over there. See it? There's smoke on the ground. That freaked me out. Is it over? I don't know. Oh my god. Oh, behind me is rumbling. Now that sounds so satisfying. like that. We would look through the alley and we would see more, and then the fireworks would just be just coming out of the ground in Times Square. Huh? When we were in Jersey City, we would just look past the alley of those two buildings, and then fireworks just coming out of Times Square. So much smoke in the air. So much smoke. What? I'll upload the video and delete any scrap. Ooh, sparklers. I'm sorry. Can you see now? Okay. Oh my god, the building behind me is just rumbling so much. Yo, the building behind me is rumbling so much. I'm sorry guys, but we're just gonna show one last firework, okay? It's like been 7 minutes. Okay guys, sorry, but I'm gonna have to end the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video, turn on notifications. Peace. A little outro.
One second. Yeah.
Outro fireworks. Okay, now bye.